The 2007 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic stability control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless entry, premium sound, climate control, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service, fog lamps, MP3 capability, dual zone climate control, satellite radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.